Hello my beautiful people. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this statement earring, this beautiful Ankara statement earring. If this is your first time on seeing my video, subscribe on the notification bell. Without further ado, let's dive to the DIY. And I have two of these. You need your earring findings. If you want to buy accessories for jewelry making, you write jewelry findings, earring findings, neck piece findings. So the things to make jewelry accessories will come out when you make your research on the internet. You always put findings. That is how the things you need will come out, okay? And this is my wire, and this is my jewelry tools. And the measurement of this cord I'm using is 13.5 inches. And the circumference of this cord is 1.25 inches. Then for the fabric, the way I get my measurement, I cut this fabric 2 inches. It has to be bigger than the cord. Then I'll fold it like this, and I'll fold my tape 1.25 inches. Fold my fabric like this, and I'll put it like this. This is how I take my measurement, guys. Then I'll mark it. I'll mark this place. This is my seam allowance. This is the place I'm going to pass the cord through. Just be careful not to over sew inside. So if you over sew inside, the cord will not pass through. You understand? It's better it's bigger than it's too tight. This is how I pass cord through the fabric tube. You see my needle and thread, I'll pass it through like this. It's more easier for me like this. It's more easier. Then I have my big needle, you see, I'll pass it through the big needle. Then I'll tie it. Then I'll pass it through. And this is the second one. Then you tie it. You make sure it's equal. Make sure the tying is equal. Before I sew it, I will bend this like this. Then you pass this through. Then put it together like this. Then sew it. When sewing, you should always pass. You see that hoop? You see this place? You see this? This bend wire. You should always pass your needle through when sewing. Then I will pass it through this jewelry cone. Then cut it. And bend the wire.